iOS 18. Customize your iPhone lock screen buttons. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to customize the buttons on your iPhone's lock screen in iOS 18. Stay with me till the end to make your lock screen as functional and unique as possible. Let's get started. First, open the home of your iPhone having iOS 18. Then scroll down from the top left corner of the screen. The lock screen will appear. Here on the lock screen, tap and hold anywhere on it. Then tap on the Customize icon at the bottom. After tapping the Customize, tap on the lock screen. This will appear on the screen. There are two lock screen icons on the bottom of the lock screen. Tap on the minus sign on any one of them. After tapping the minus sign, the plus icon will appear on place on it. Here, tap on the plus icon, and the menu of different shortcut icon will appear. I am selecting the camera icon. You can select as per your preferences, so the icon appear on the lock screen. Finally, tap Done on the right top corner. And that's how you can customize your iPhone lock screen buttons in iOS 18. It's a simple way to enhance your phone's usability and make it suit your lifestyle. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.